Welcome back to my channel, dolls. So today I'm here to show you guys how to do some crochet braids. So I've been seeing this popular hair from Freetress called Deep Twist, and I definitely wanted to try it. So I'm going to start off with telling you guys a little bit about your braiding pattern. The most important part of your braids is that your parts are small. So you need to have your braids as close as possible, because of course as your crochets grow and as your hair continues to grow, your parts will widen. So if you start out with a wide part, you'll end up with a much wider part. I make my middle part and then I braid as close to the part as possible. So if you see, this braid is more over here than it is over here, and that's all you really have to do. At least one of these two braids needs to be as close to the middle as possible. If you can get both as close to the middle as possible, but at least one, as long as you have one, you will be good. You will need to do Y braids wherever you would like to wear your part. So if you can see, I have a Y braid here, I have a Y braid here, and I have a Y braid here, and then just straight back. These are just straight back because I don't plan on wearing any type of part over on this side. So I just have my hair going straight back. I braided all of this connected, and then I folded it over and tacked it. So I'll show you guys that. So here's that. So here is the hair. It's called Freetress Deep Twist. It says 22 inch and I got color 1. I purchased 5 packs at $5.99 a pack. So all you will need to do after you braid your hair, make sure that you oil your scalp. If you guys are wondering what I use to lay my edges down, I like to use Gorilla Snot Gel. Let's get started, ladies.
Beside me, it's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me, it's a two-seater, yo, can't rap. Girl, that girl, that girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl, that you got ain't got nothing on me. Girl, ain't got nothing on me. So call me, call me, call me. もしもし。Alright ladies, so I have just finished installing one pack, so you can see. So I'm going to start on my second pack. Alright ladies, so I have just finished installing my second pack, so here's my progress. Alright, so for my third pack, I'm going to concentrate on filling up the back. So I'm going to work on filling all of this up. And I'm not going to cut it or anything. I'm going to keep it the length that it came in. So I'll finish that and come back and show you guys. Alright ladies, so I have just finished installing my hair in the back. So I'm on the third pack, as I was saying. So when you open one of the packs, they have like 3 little batches in them. So it's about 3 of these. It's 1, then it's 2, then it's 3. So I put 2 of them in my head,
and this is the last one that I have left from the third pack, and it's getting kind of full, so I'm gonna stop where I'm at now. It's pretty close to being level, not quite, but just a little bit off, but it really won't make a difference. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks so far. And this is the fullness. And I'm pulling very, very small amounts of hair. So this is just the 3 packs, almost, not quite fully 3 packs. So now I'm going to start cutting my hair in half. So you just wanna make sure it's leveled. That is about half. So I'm just gonna cut that because I want a layered look. And you can see I'm not grabbing big pieces. And that's where it falls. So I'm going to go ahead and finish installing this little last piece of my third pack, and I will be back to show you guys. Alright y'all, so I have finished installing the full 3 packs of hair. This is the cut hair. You can kind of see it's gonna give me a layered effect. So I'll show you. So still got quite a bit left in the back. Still got quite a bit left in the back, but I am finished all the way up to my Y braids. So these are my Y braids. I will be doing my invisible crochets here, but I'm going to finish up filling in the back first. So I am starting on my 4th pack, still cutting the hair in half. So I will finish up the back all the way to the Y, and I will come show you guys how to do the Y braids. Alright y'all, so I have finished filling up the back of my hair. I'm still on my 4th pack, but I'll show you guys what this looks like so far before I start on my white parts. So you can see it's really starting to fill up. So now it's time to do my Y braids. This is the most important when doing your crochet braids because this is where your parts will be. So I do what is called invisible crochets, and that is basically when you have an invisible knot, not a visible knot. This will allow your hair to look like it's growing straight out of your scalp. All I'm doing is running my finger over the curl, and that pretty much fixes the frizz. When doing a regular crochet knot, you pull the hair through and then you put both pieces through, but we're not going to do that. We're going to put one piece through, then we're going to twist and put that one piece through again, so it will fold over. So you can see this is knotted and this is invisible. Alright guys, so I have finished my install of my Crochet Deep Twist hair, and it's quite full as you can see. So I'm about to go in with my razor comb, and I'm going to be thinning this out a bit, but I do want to show you guys the finished product without me altering anything. This is 4 packs in like a piece of the 5th pack. So you can see, you can't see the knot. I'm still going to go through and thin this out just a little bit. I like it, but it's a little thick. So let me show you guys the back. so very full, you guys, so I'm going to go through this and trim it just a bit, and I will show you guys my finished product. All right, ladies, so here's the finished product. So all I did was take my, like I said, take my thinning shear, well, my razor comb, and I took the thinning side, which is the side that's closest to the combs, and I just thinned it out to my desired look. So here's the side part. I know I have on black, so it may be hard to see. This is all the hair to the front. So here's my side part. Here's the middle part. And here's the side part. The other side part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these contacts, I will have all the information down below. I might even have a coupon code for you guys for a special discount. So check down below. I will leave all the information there in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.